Good morning. My name is Gedeon, and this is For the Fallen, a daily, Monday through Friday devotional aimed at encouraging those who stumbled to rise again and walk in grace. First Corinthians chapter 16, verse 13. Check this out. Be on your guard. Stand firm in the faith. And then it says, be courageous. Be strong. You see, throughout everything you've been through, you're still standing. Not by accident, but by grace. God has strengthened you to stand and be strong. Repeat after me. Lord, help me stand firm and courageous today.